Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share Google Calendar. First, go to Calendar app and click on these three dots, which will give me some options. From there, go to Settings and Sharing. Now, in the Settings and Sharing menu, it has several options. You can export the calendar, make it public, or share it. If it is a classroom calendar that you want to share with parents, you can export it. You can make it public, allowing anyone with a link to see all event details or just that something is happening on a particular day. If you want to share it, you can get a shareable link, send it directly to parents via email or text, or click Add People. You can select the person you want to share it with and see how you can share the calendar. Remember, be cautious about making sensitive information public. If it is just for events and not personal details, making it public may be suitable. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.